So this is our kit for measuring our clip-on angle. Normally you just try and bodge it, don't you? You measure here, ride it, feel it, is it all right? But this is pretty wicked. These are standard parts, and then this plate is specific to your each individual bike. So this one is the Ducati V4. I've literally taken it out of the packet, as you'd expect from Spider. Perfect fit first time. So that goes on there, and then we're going to grab these arms, fit those there, and then this will, when we get the space from the bottom, it will line up there and it'll let you know how wide your bars are. And we can whip those bars off and we can put these new ones on. So these are the new bars, new clip-ons. The main advantage of these is maybe a slightly more comfortable position, because you see how this bar is in front, the clip-on bar is in front of the fork. This one's actually going to line up with the fork a little bit, and then just ease of use to change the actual clip-on bars themselves. There's one bolt there, slide the bar out, put a new bar in, Robert's father's brother, and then you've obviously got this clip for the, what do you call it? It stops your handlebars from shaking about, the damper, steering damper bracket. So I'm going to move over into the other camera, hopefully video this, hopefully it'll go well, and that'll be our video. This is me sort of halfway through setting these bars up. They take 2 seconds to set up, just 2 screws on each side. We're obviously going to get the setting for the stock bars, which I'm quite happy with, although it's not quite the same as my BMW, which I do find a bit more comfortable. Although, having said that, I haven't had any problems with the Ducati in this position. They feel, it's just, you know, these are slightly tighter in, narrower, like pinched, more than the BMW, but actually I don't have any wrist problems with them. Sometimes on the BMW I do. So maybe we should do the Ducati position on the BMW. Stranger things have happened, right? So and what we can do now is, there's quite a few little marks to count, but 11, 12, 13 and a bit. We start from there. 1, 12, 13 and a bit. As you'd expect from the factory, they're the same on both sides. So that kind of proves that tool works. As you can see with these, you can loosen this bolt off and the clip-on will want to come out, but you won't get it out because of that clip. It's gotten the grip off fairly straightforward. That's just brake cleaner. That'll dissolve off there in seconds now. So we've progressed along a little bit now. This nut in here is 22 Newton meters. There we go. Nice and easy. And the one at the top is the same. I can't get to that one at the moment, so I'll come back to it. There we go, nice and easy. I'm going to have to adjust the easy as with the old brake cleaner. I mean, it is a piece of cake with these, I don't even know what they call them, but you can see how easy that is. That's it. Just make sure yeah, I mean, obviously I need to adjust the clutch is pretty much exactly where I wanted it. The brake is a little bit high, but I've got to adjust the brake lines to make that happen. And then I've got to play around with this, get my other clamp. We're cooking on gas. Yeah, sweet.